people and all present here. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and a very warm good morning to all of you. This is Naima Athar standing in front of you, and the topic on which I am going to prolong my words today is social media, literacy and morality. Now, social media is a really significant part of our lives, and because of its user-friendly features, it is becoming quite popular nowadays. We know that we can connect with our loved ones using social media. The youngsters are one of the most dominant users of social media. It is because maybe social media is the only platform where you can be yourself, you can be creative, and you can be who you want to be. And the best part is, we even have the audience for all of this. The real world can be restricted sometimes for some people, and those people can express themselves freely on social media. Now, all this will make you wonder that something with so powerful and with such a massive reach cannot be always. Exactly. Like there are always two sides to a coin, the same goes for social media. Social media has its own pros and cons, good aspects and bad aspects, advantages and disadvantages. When we talk about advantages of social media, they are in bundles. From being a great platform for education to being a platform for young budding artists, social media is everywhere. Despite having such unique advantages, social media is considered as one of the most harmful elements of the society. It is maybe because social media is the hub for cyberbullying, negative thoughts, rumors, and much more harmful things. So we can say that, like everything else, social media has its own pros and cons, goods and bads. So what will we create a difference? We as users and content creators can create a difference. Now, when we use social media, there are some things we should keep in mind. But before that, let me make you very clear, we are no more just consumers of media, but also content creators, distributors, and opinion makers of media. And that is why our activities really decide what effect social media will cause in our lives.
नसीब वाले देखते हैं ख्वाब में हुजूर को, नसीब वाले देखते हैं ख्वाब में हुजूर को, मगर किसी ने जागते देखा हक के नूर को। है ऐसा कौन दोस्तों, है ऐसा कौन दोस्तों, बताता हूँ सुनो सुनो, वो इश्क का इमाम है, रज़ा उसका नाम है, वो इश्क का इमाम है, रज़ा उसका नाम है। Yes, my dear audience, yes. Today I want to speak on the topic intellectual contribution of Ala Hazrat. Mustafa Jani Rahmat pe lakho salam, Mustafa Jani Rahmat pe lakho salam, Shamae bazm hidayat pe lakho salam, Shamae bazm hidayat pe lakho salam. My master Ala Hazrat Imam